All right, awesome. So yeah, zero trust is something that that we want to try and adhere to, but we have to fully understand it, and that's a kind of an important piece to this. So just real quick, I want to show you something about this when it comes to government standards, actually, on this front. So there's actually a standard on zero trust by the NIST. And if you're not familiar with the NIST, it's a government standards organization, and they have a standard defining zero trust. And so there's something here that's very interesting. This is just an abstract summary. If you want to actually go look at the full documentation of this, of course you could. Let me just go ahead and drop this in the chat real quick. All right. So yeah, absolutely. Inger, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give you some of these links. Absolutely. So this is a good one right here. So I'll start with this one, and I'll kind of also go back, and if there's anything else, in fact, while I'm at it, let me go ahead and give you the well-architected link here. I'm just going to throw that one in the chat as well while I'm thinking about it. So that's in there, and of course you can go from there. You can go to any of the pillars you want to go dive into.